Good morning, student. Now we are going to see what is the best strategy to count by 5 or 10 or 25 or 100. Actually, we can use the number line to count or to skip by 5 or 10 or 25 or 100. This is something additional to the addition in general. So if I have, let's say, a number and this number is 237 and someone tell me I need that you add or count by 5, how you can do it? So in this case we have to add by 5 with this way. I can say 7 plus 5 equal 12. I have 1 and 3 equal 4, and after that I have the 2. This is one strategy to do the addition as a strategy. But if I see the number line can give you another hint. I can use a number line with this way. I can say I have a number line and I have the number 237 and I want to skip by 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means here it's going to be what? So I see 237, 238, 239, 240, 241, 242, and here it's going to be 242. So the number line, it's another method that I can do it step by step. Here, if I have a question to count by 10, how can I do it? You see here, I start to create from any number that I'm going to start, and I'm going to add 10. But there is something more precious that instead of losing my time and add one by one, I'm saying 237. This is the ones, this is a 10, and this is 100. Why I don't take the 10 and I'm saying here I'm adding by 10, and all I have to do to add 110, that means 247. So I will reach the next number without using even the number line or the addition. I can get it right away by adding only 1 in the 10. After that it's going to be 257. I add only 1. All I did, I'm adding 1. Because this one means I'm adding 110, and this is the question. I need to increase by 10. What about by 25? If the question tell me count by 25, and I have here the number 575. Instead of creating 25 pieces, it's too much. Why I don't skip by 5? I know that 25, if I'm doing something like that, the 25 I can divide it into 5 pieces. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 5 and 5, 10. 5 and 5, 10. 10 and 10, 20, and 5. So 25 I can use it with this way. So I can add in the number line and I can skip by 5. This is the first 5, this is the second, third, fourth, and fifth. So 575, I'm going to reach here 580. I'm going to reach here 585. Here it's going to be 590. Here it's going to be 595. And here 600. And so on. So 600 plus 600 plus 25 is going to be 625. I add 25 to 25 is going to give me 650, and so on. There is a lot of strategy that I can use to get or to reach my goal, to add or to skip with whatever I want. Next, if I'm adding or I'm skipping by 100, and if I have a number which is like 501, so how I'm going to do that? 501, instead of counting 100 on the number line, going to be headache for me. So I'm saying 501. The 1 is 1, the 0 is for the 10, and the 5 is for the 100. Since I'm adding 100, that means I add only 1 to the 5, so it's going to be 601. And if I want to add another 100, I add only 1 to the 6. so it's going to be 701. Instead of counting on the number line, I can skip by 100 by adding only 1 to the column of the 100. This is very important. Since I'm adding 100, I play with the 100. Exactly what I did here. I was adding tens, so I am only adding 1 in the column of the tens. So I hope that you understood how we can skip by 5 or 10 or 25 or 100 using the number line or using the column of the place value, and how can I reach my goal by only adding ones to the tens here or ones to the hundreds here to reach my goal and to get the next number. Thank you for listening.